The next generation of paint protection has arrived. Introducing Xpel Ultimate Plus, the glossiest, longest-lasting, and most durable paint protection film available today. In 2011, we revolutionized the industry with the invention of the world's first self-healing clear bra. Xpel Ultimate Plus raises the bar once again with an unparalleled high-gloss finish. It's so optically clear, it is virtually invisible to the naked eye. Beyond aesthetics, Xpel Ultimate Plus offers improved impact protection for enhanced durability. Xpel Ultimate Plus also features a new, unique edge seal technology, helping maintain maximum adhesion to painted surfaces while preventing your paint from being exposed to the elements. Combined with the ease and accessibility of the Design Access program, Xpel Ultimate Plus can be utilized with any pattern in our system to create a pre-cut kit for the most precise installation possible. Packed with the same self-healing power and superior stain resistance you've come to love, Xpel Ultimate Plus was born to perform. Light scratches and swirls self-heal with heat from the sun or even just a little warm water. Worried about paint transfer, bug guts, or bird droppings? Even some of the nastiest scrapes and scuffs are no match for Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. After removing the damaged piece, the surface underneath looks as good as ever. For the ultimate stress test, we attacked Ultimate Plus by baking spray paint on with a heat gun before using lacquer thinner to clean it off. Seeing no visible difference in the film, we took things a step further and lit it on fire. Rest assured, even the harshest environments are no match for Xpel Ultimate Plus. Complete protection unseen. What's between you and the open road? Xpel Ultimate Plus. Ask for it by name today.